Hi, everyone, this video will provide 2 helpful ways to recover deleted or lost movie files on Windows 10 and 11. Way 1. Recover lost movie files using Recycle Bin. Double-click the Recycle Bin icon on the desktop. Select the movie files that you want to recover. Choose Restore the selected items from the top toolbar. Exit the Recycle Bin window. Navigate to the original movie file location. Then you can see the recovered movie files there. Way 2. Recover lost movie files using MiniTool Powered Data Recovery. Launch MiniTool Powered Data Recovery. Choose Select Folder and click Browse. Choose the target folder and click Select Folder. Scan results will be shown by path. Expand the category to find your lost movie files. Check the box in front of the target files. Click Save. Thanks for watching. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.